Now, number 11, this is an important one and I kept it to the end because this is a very valuable one, but you want to make sure you go through those other 10 first. What are your tips for selling 10K websites? This is one of the things that I think baffles people when they think you could build a 10K website on Squarespace. They think you have to do so much fancy work, all of this. How do you do it? Number one, 10K websites start with solving business problems, not with customizations. The most custom website does not equal the most expensive website. The most expensive website should equal a website that solves the biggest problem, or said differently, the most valuable problem. So understanding the client, understanding the problem that's being solved, these things are really going to help you position yourself in the right way. Thinking about what we talked about before, your confidence and your pitch are going to be so important. The more questions you ask in the initial call, the more the client is going to have a sense that you understand the problem and the project at hand, and the more they're going to feel confident that you know how to take this from A to Z. Following, sell a vision, not a trend. Trends die, visions expand. Final resource here, I have a video that walks through other tips, additional tips for how you can sell 10K websites. So make sure you check the link down below.